Please don't let this look terrible. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kristen and I post DIY, lifestyle, and shop with me videos every week. Today, we are going to be trying Tantouring. So this is something I actually found on TikTok, but apparently it was a big thing on YouTube like a couple years ago. If you don't know what Tantouring is, it is where you take fake tanner, you put it on your face like you would contouring, and then you let it sink in, and then you have like a semi-permanent contour makeup look. I'm gonna stop rambling because I talk about it as I'm actually doing it, so let's just jump into the video. Okay guys, so it is about 11 o'clock at night and I've been watching TikTok videos for maybe the last 2 or 3 hours when I came across this girl. I figure that since we're all in quarantine for the next however long, if I really mess this up, no one's gonna see me for like the next 2 weeks. So if I'm ever gonna try it, now is the time. So I exfoliated my face. I have absolutely nothing on it, just exfoliated it and washed it, and it is a fresh face. I am gonna start with this Loving Tan, and I have the dark version, and this is the 2 Hour Express. This is not sponsored, I just have had this forever. Actually, it might be expired. Does self tanner expire? Anyway, we're gonna try this out, and the only other things that I have this little dish so I can pump the stuff into it. Then I have 2 makeup brushes. I use this one for like my face masks, like to put them on, so it's all right if this one gets self tanner on it. Then I have another one to do my nose. I watched a few videos on YouTube and people were super conservative about it, and it was really hard to tell a difference. Like they only left the self tanner on for like 2 hours or something, and then I couldn't really tell anything. But the girl on TikTok said she slept with hers overnight, and that is what we're gonna do. We're gonna go big or go home. I'm not gonna make this video for no changes. Keep in mind, this is not self tanner. We're not tanning the face. We are chiseling it out, so it is supposed to be dramatic line. This is also just supposed to help you not use as much makeup. So I don't know, we'll just see. I just want to try it. Let's get started. That's pretty good, right? All right, so that's line number 1. Wow, that's so dark. Is this even? I feel like this is down too low. I feel like Wolverine. Doesn't he have something like this? Like a weird beard like this? So we got our main contour on, and now we're gonna do the nose. I am not very good at doing noses. Saw a lot of people take it up to here, but the last person who did it said that up here got a little dark for them, so I'm gonna not do up so high. Oh my god. All right, so I'm not really good at doing my nose, so please don't mind my nose. This one is just gonna buff out a little bit on top. I have a very round face, so I do a lot of contouring on the sides to kind of help bring it in. And then we wanna get underneath. Oh, another thing guys, I saw there were a few YouTube videos, I didn't click on them, but people like painted on fake abs, like they contoured abs. And if you want me to try that in a future video, let me know in the comments. I'm officially done touching it. It is 11:30 right now, and I have a meeting at 7 in the morning, so I'm probably gonna get up at like 6:45 and wash my face off. I will come and film and do the final update. So I'm like really excited to see how this turns out. Okay, good morning guys. It is 7:50 in the morning and I'm about to go jump in the shower and wash this off. I'm a little worried because it looks a little dirty, but hopefully I can use like some kind of exfoliator or something to buff it out if it's bad. So I won't do that yet. I will just go shower and bring you back the results. Hey guys, I'm just sitting here editing the video and I am going to switch the 2 sections. So I'm going to show you what the final makeup look looks like first, and then I'm going to tell you about some of the things I'm going to change. The contour really changed how I normally do my makeup and how much makeup I actually used. And when I first came out of the shower, it didn't look as great, but it did make a huge impact on when I did do my makeup. So I flipped those 2 sections. I'm just letting you know so it doesn't seem like it's in a weird order. And this is the final makeup look. I know it looks like I have on a lot of makeup, but I actually don't at all. I really love it. All I had to do was just put on some of my normal foundation and blend out some of the edges into my fake tan contour lines, but it looks so good. My biggest problem when I'm contouring is that my skin starts to look patchy and blotchy and dirty, and this has actually really smoothed it out. Usually by the time I start contouring, I feel like I have on like so much caked on makeup, and it's like layer after layer, and then you're plopping on this contour stuff on top of it. But I was able to almost leave this whole area makeup free. So I highly recommend this, and I'm going to try to perfect the technique. So let me know in the comments below if that's something that you want to see as a future video, like my perfected contour fake tan makeup look thing. I just took a shower and washed everything off, and this is the final result. I have zero makeup on. Honestly, I thought it was gonna be darker for how dark it was on and how long I left it on. So I was really surprised about that. So I do like it. I do like the idea, and I definitely will be doing it in the future, but there are a few things I can already tell I want to change. First of all, I would do much thinner lines to make it look more chiseled rather than like bronzed. Another thing that I would change would be how much I put around the sides. I would really prefer this side right here to be a little bit darker, so I would go a little heavier here and maybe do a little more bronzing at the top and on the bottom. And finally, I need a different shade of self tanner. I'm a really cool toned person, and this self tanner is really warm, so it doesn't match my face. When I'm actually using a contouring makeup, it is more on the ashier side than it is on the warm side. So warm skin tones would really benefit from this color, but it's not really doing much for me. It looks like I just got tanned in a weird spot rather than it being like a contour. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you did. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram and on TikTok, because guys, I'm like super active on TikTok. If you didn't do so already, make sure to hit that like button and the subscribe button, and most importantly, the notification bell. If you can do anything for me, it would be hit this notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future videos. Stay safe out there, keep washing your hands, and keep staying away from other people. Until next time.